In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a true first person in Unreal Engine 5. What is up, you guys? Today I'm going to be showing you a tutorial video on how to make true first person in Unreal Engine 5. So the very first thing we're going to want to do is you're going to want to go to your character blueprint. This is different depending on what you're using. For this example, I'm using the third person template, and so I'm just going to go to the third person BP and open our character blueprint. Once that is done, make sure that you have the third person character self selected and come down to the right here and make sure that the rotation yaw is clicked to true. Once that is done, go to the follow camera and then make sure that your pawn control rotation is selected. Now what we're going to want to do is we're going to want to go to our viewport and we're going to make sure that our camera is set up to the point of view on our character, and as you can tell, it's a little farther back, and so we need to bring it forward in order to see our body. So what I like to use is 340 for the x-axis and about 50 for the z-axis. So this is putting it a little bit forward so you can still see the feet and the rest of the main character. So now you're going to want to go back to your follow camera and make sure that it is moved to the mesh. So now it is inherited to the mesh, and as well make sure that you adjust the point of view a little bit so that way the camera is kind of a little bit more realistic. So for this example, I'm going to use about 110. You can be more specific if you want, but that is completely and totally okay. And click compile. And what I can do is I can actually show you what this looks like now. So when you click play, you actually look down. Now, of course, the different angles, as you can tell, the camera's a little to the left, so you can rotate it to the right a little bit more. And you can adjust it accordingly depending on the feel that you want, and then you can just kind of like really hone down and be specific. But that is the basis premise on how to make first person in Unreal Engine 5.